So hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the location of your Udemy application. So for that, the quickest and easiest way is to just close your account from here, and after closing an account you open a new account with your desired location. But if you have a lot of courses subscribed in your account, then this might not be the best way. So in order to change the location, if you have a lot of subscription and courses, you need to contact Udemy support. And for that, just go to the main homepage of Udemy, then go down. After that, just go down, and then after that click contact us. After clicking contact us, you will be redirected to this page, and then click help and support from here. After clicking help and support, you'll be redirected to this page, and from there just click accounts and profiles. And after that, this creating and editing your profile, click this, and from here you just need to click the contact us button, and here you will be able to chat with the representative of Udemy. Initially a bot will reply your query, but after typing or after chatting for some time, then a representative of Udemy will be talking to you. So yeah, that's how you change the location of your Udemy account. Hope this video helped you. If it did help, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.